Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Gmail account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistake, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail apps. Tap on this. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on your manage your Google account. Scroll down little bit. Tap on data and privacy. Scroll down little bit. You can see that delete your Google account. Tap on this. Use your fingerprint. Scroll down little bit. Tap on second option. Yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all it is data. Tap on delete account. Next, tap on delete account. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.